One of our absolute favorite spaces to design is the kitchen. It is one place in the home where everyone tends together. So much of our lives happen in the kitchen. We all dream of having a brand new custom space, with a large island and more cabinetry than we know what to do with, right? The reality is that a lot of us have small kitchens. Sometimes it can be hard to figure out how to make our such small spaces function for our needs, while still looking really beautiful. We've designed our fair share of kitchens, and we've seen all shapes and sizes. You don't have to sacrifice style for function, promise. A functioning floor plan is important in any size of space, but it is doubly important in a small one. A beautiful kitchen with a strange layout will never work. Make sure your sink, refrigerator, and stovetop are all easily accessible and that there is adequate countertop space by each one for easy use. Pay attention to the cabinetry layout to make sure there is ample storage for the items you use daily. Walk through the space, either literally or just in your mind, to decide what layout will work best for you. Every aspect of the layout, from floor plan to cabinetry, will make the difference between a small kitchen that you love and a small kitchen that drives you crazy. From the very beginning, choose the colors you want to work with and stick to them. Introducing too many colors in a small space will feel overwhelming. In Ansage's kitchen, we selected natural wood tones with white and gray elements. Then we added in the black appliances and brass hardware. Sticking to this scheme all over makes the space feel larger than it is and more inviting. Regardless of the colors you choose, keeping it consistent throughout is a good way to go in a small kitchen.